Alrighty guys, good morning. It is travel day and I couldn't be more excited because today we are going big. And by big, I mean we're taking first class and we're also going through a private luxury terminal with PS. And if you guys are not familiar with PS, it is a private terminal serving commercial flights at LAX where I had the privilege to hang out and relax at the Salon. The Salon is kind of like a private members club where you can work or relax or do nothing just to stay away from the hustle and bustle of the airport. They have a full bar, they have a fully stocked up bathroom where you can pick up the toiletries, and they also had complimentary drinks, cocktails, and actual meals that you can eat at the Salon or take it with you in your flight. But my favorite part is probably the transportation directly to the aircraft, because look at this airport chaos like I am literally being driven to the aircraft and I don't have to worry about waiting in line with everyone else. I can just step foot in the plane and I am good to go. So I'm really excited, and this is also my first time flying first class. This would not be possible without you, so I just want to say I love you so much and thank you for your support. It's because you have made this possible for me.
Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey sickly sweet.
I'm currently on Hawaiian Airlines first class, and this is my very first time flying first class. And I must say, it's pretty nice. And everyone's like kind of sleeping right now. I'm literally using my iPhone as a lighting.
Nothing feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey sickly sweet. Keeps
Alrighty guys, I just got to the Park Shore Waikiki hotel and this is my room. We have a huge bed. And look, they even sent over, or this was actually already in my room, but they had some candies. These are mocha shortbread and Kona furikake chips, and a card waiting for me when I entered the room. So super sweet. I haven't opened this one yet, but I am working with Park Shore Waikiki, so I'm very excited to be here. And we have a partial ocean front view. There's Waikiki Beach. We have a little lanai outside, and then here's the mirror. This is gonna be my vanity slash where I'm going to be getting ready. This was my travel outfit. I had a sweater on, but it is so hot right now, so I had to take it off. But my top is from Skims, my pants are from Aritzia, and then I'm just wearing my favorite New Balance shoes. I literally wore these in Japan every single day because it was the only comfortable shoes I had, and it was like my bestie. This is an overview of the whole room. We have the entryway. I have this TV, this little dresser area. You can pull out these cabinets for storage, which is nice. We have a microwave, bathrooms in there, and that's another storage area. I already know how it feels outside, but wow. This is my view. Look at it. There we go. It looks so nice outside. There's a pool area, cabana, all sorts of good stuff.
we sway there in all the colors.
Hello guys, good morning. Today's photo shoot location slash campaign location for Vita Coco is at the beach, and the sun has been going in and out, so I've just been kind of playing push and pull with the sun, but we're making it work. I just shot a very cool clip of my Vita Coco drink, and I'm so excited to see it and edit it. But basically I was walking and like taking pictures, and I saw that there was a baby coconut in this corner right here. Like, as you can see, there's like a coconut leaf, and this has been my setup, and I found this super cute one that came off from that tree right there, and there's like a couple more. I don't know if you guys can see. Anyway, I'm gonna use more of this coconut and take more pictures, and then yeah. Also, look at this shot. This is probably like one of my favorite shots that I took in this one. You can barely see, but I'm gonna be going there. There's me, like a wide angle shot. Mother Nature really said, I am helping you with your campaign shoot today, because this fell earlier. I have a bunch of small coconuts, and it's so on brand with this campaign shoot. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to take out one of these like baby coconuts so I can add one more, because it's feeling a little empty right here. Ow. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. I just got to Studio 7 in East Honolulu because I'm doing a contrast therapy with them. The owner actually invited me to come in, so I am very grateful and very excited to be doing contrast therapy. If you guys have been watching my vlogs, you know that I have like a not daily routine, but I try to do a monthly routine of doing contrast therapy, which is a combination of sauna and plunging in an ice bath almost, and you just like kind of interchange them. So I'm very excited that I got invited to do this, and it's a nice way for me to start my day. And I also went to Burn Collective, and I am so sore, so this contrast therapy is about to hit, because I need a little bit of relaxation. I want to sweat it out, and I just wanted to get it done first thing in the morning so I have the energy to get through my day. But yeah, I'm super excited. I'm just wearing a bikini underneath this little white top. I have my jean shorts from Aritzia, and they are by the brand A Goldie. It's my favorite brand ever. And then my Aloha collection bag, and yeah, it's currently 6:53 and my appointment is at 7, so I'm just kind of chilling in the car, and I think in like 2 minutes I'll go in, I'll text him and be like, hey, I'm outside, and yeah, I'll try to vlog. I'm at Studio 7 right now, and there's the little sauna area. I have the cold plunge, and it's very similar to the one at Paw Studio, which I really like, because I'm very familiar with this situation or this setup already. So yeah, let's go ahead. Feels so good. I did 10 seconds as my longest, which is pretty good because it's freezing in there. And I'm going to finish off in the sauna and then rinse off, and then we're gonna go to the beach. I stopped by 7-Eleven to pick up some snacks. I honestly love 7-Eleven sushi, but only in Japan and in Hawaii. I will never eat sushi from 7-Eleven in the mainland. It's not gonna work. I found these, and I think, honestly, they taste like pandesal with ube jam in them. I ate one already and it was really, really good. So, got this. I got my favorite water, menehune. I got a terry chicken manipua. I picked up spam musubi. And then, honestly, like, I wanted to go into 7-Eleven because of their sushi. These are so freaking good. I actually got 2 spicy ahi dynamite roll. And then also I got 3 of these spicy ahi. They're regular ones. And they're so fun to like unravel and kind of build. So yeah, I just got a bunch of them. Enough for me to eat while I kind of chill here. It was raining on the way here, but now it's so sunny. I love it. I love it. Of the day. It's from Vanilla. It's from their new collection. It's so cute. I am heading back into my car, but as I was walking back, I saw a girl who was like taking pictures with her mom, and I was like, oh my gosh, she looks so pretty. And she goes, Farina? And I was like, yeah. She goes, oh my gosh, I follow you and everything. And her name was Sydney. I didn't get her last name, but Sydney, if you're watching this, it was so nice meeting you, and you looked beautiful in all of your pictures. I was like taking a peek while I was like chilling in the sand. I'm out of breath. I'm out of breath, okay? But I wish I was vlogging in that moment, but her mom took a picture of us, so she has that picture of us. I feel like I always meet you guys, meet some besties when I look the worst. Like, I look disheveled right now.
We could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could